Bodoland Territorial Autonomous Council Achip Hagrama Mohilari Langhina Longhoren Singh Bea Parman vote ke hang. The Food Treasury Officer Amarendra Sharma upon Treasury Officer Apupen ke pasun. Karbi Autonomous Council EM Barim Roton Ingti BJP Asong Pen Kecio. Kardom Karbi Prime Time Long Pen Elijunality Mumpi Non Bitang Ton Pen Arju Ikha Kokrajar Pen Bodoland Territorial Autonomous Council Achip Hagrama Mohilari Karbi Anglong Nang Sunsi Jang Migre Sia Ni Langhin Along Horen Singh Bea Parman vote ke hang Pado Pusi Kat News Along Bitanang Le Kokrajar Pen Bodoland Territorial Autonomous Council Achip Hagrama Mohilari Karbi Anglong Nang Sunsi Jang Migre Sia Ni Langhin Along BJP Pen Kiliki through Horen Singh Bea Parman vote ke hang Pado Alang li vote ke hang alam je along Congress upon Arboxi Karbi Anglong kaching through RJ Larji Lapen Langji Pulote BJP aphansi pehai nangji pusi BT Edia ke hoy Mohilari ningje Karbi Anglong Lapen di Mahasau ching through onang lang puta alang li ningje damthu
Difu kotai ho ba ma haplongor kotai ho NCHor homostito etai jitu difu homosti di Mahasau Karbi Anglong Ini kelas itu otomatis itu kota khusus. Masalah itu paho, kami sanu.
Andolan kuya isu, long standing demand. Karbi Anglong di Mahasau, bhator hong bidanot, ini hong bidanot thaka equal to 448 itu, he hong isa hamra koribo lage. Narendra Modi damle question. Apnar hong isa, alam alosona kori electoral pisot.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Rong Hang Lapen EM MSC Tumta vote ke hang amaya long chitong dun.
Itu punya utama. Kalau kami koyas indirectly kami BTC itu kami direct warnai, directly warnai. Itu indirect kami Karbi Anglong di Mahasau itu otomatis itu kami itu diklaim. Ini kota itu muy kuat.
মানে আপনি কিহৰ ভিত্তিত এইটো ক'ব খুজিছে যে কাৰ্যালয়তে
ভিত্তি নালাগে এইটো পাব লাগে আগত পৰাই জেনেৰি দিবা আৰু এইটো সংবিধান আছে আৰু একটা কথা স্পেচিয়েলি আপাততো শেখ শেডুলৰ কাৰণে এই কেন্দ্ৰীয় যিটো আঁচনি যেনিবা 1 তোলা সোণা 1 টাকা চাউল সেইবিলাক মানে 1 তোলা সোণাটো শেখ শেডুলৰ কাৰণে 2 তোলা বনাব আৰু চাউলটো 1 টাকা হ'ব নালাগে 50 পইচা হ'ব মই এইটো যিমান দিন কেতিয়া হয়
এই 2 বছৰ ভিতৰত আপুনি পোৱাটো কৈছিল যে শেখ শেডুল যেতিয়া
2 বছৰ নালাগে ৰে আপোনালোকে কি ভাবে 2 বছৰ নালাগে চাইটা পুৰা আমি দেখাই দিম
আমার ডাঙৰীয়া চিফ এখানে যিটো গঠন কৰিছে ভাৰতৰ সংবিধানৰ সমাজতো আৰু যিটো অট'নমাছ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট সেইবিলাকৰ অট'নমাছ কেন্দ্ৰ চৰকাৰে চিন্তা চৰ্চা আলাপ আলোচনাৰ মাজতে সেই অৱস্থাটো আমি নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদী ডাঙৰীয়াও লগ কৰি আহিছোঁ তেওঁ গোটেইখিনি চালি জাৰি কৰি আপোনালোকক মাতি সেই গোটেইখিনি সমস্যাটো কিন্তু ভাৰতৰ সংবিধান আর্টিকেল 244 সংবিধানত থাকা বস্তু কনস্টিটিউশনত থাকা বস্তু আমি বনা নাই কনস্টিটিউশন
The Food Treasury Officer Amarendra Sharma March ending Abil Kipijia Pan Contractor Chokamar Lapen Pensioner Atum Pen Aronre Tangka ke hang thap akoi ki krangajok Treasury Asai Pu Arpu Pen ke pasun Abirta Jang Mini Bhai Crazy Ani Kat News sa Hemalong Birta Nang Pale The Food Treasury Office along March ending Abil ke Padam Jia Phanpura Aronre Pen Tangka ke Cho En Pualam ki ke Doko ka jok Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Mukul Kumar Saikia Pen ke Tardi Pado Ponlo Lasto api kita lit mate kiri ka kuruga sai ke denga hot Treasury Officer table a drawer along pensikal lak posusi atangka kiring sitame kilong pon ajok Assam Services Discipline Appear Rules 1964 along kido Rule 6(1) aron atengsi Assam Governor alam toipen Treasury Officer Amarendra Sharma aphan apupen ke pasun mate suspension alu nitin khade IAS Commissioner and Secretary to the Gulf of Assam Finance Department ahin pen kedam tang chang ni final cap ani pangdak konlo Treasury Officer Amarendra Sharma aphan arbupen ji pasun alo ke pangdak ateng pulote alang lipan noga long si headquarter pathik konlo lapen agang tu angdeng pen lamtoy avetik ke kapre kadim cheterek long lelo pusi birta long dun Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Barim Rotoning di Amethanga Hemalong Jang Mini Phai Crazy Ani Perangke Amai Phasi BJP Asong Pen Kachio Alam Therat Athengno Chipaklang Pon Ambita Perangke Pen Pirtanang Pale Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along MSC Do An Pen Alang Li Henlo BJP Asong along Kidun Cheng Chitame non apor kopisi BJP Asong Pen Chio Du Nang Kok Malake BJP Asong Atum Kematha Ison Lapen Kiklem Ison Titi Pusi Perangke Amai along Akoy Pipon Nonta BJP East Karbi Anglong District Committee Amaipu Ratan Teron lapen BJP West Karbi Anglong District Committee Amaipu Arun Terang atum pasan chom dak ason si theglong lo lapen BJP asong atum ke claim akaprek lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along kachari atum ke claim akaprek asapta kacheton avipusi akoy pipon non apor India det ni hang ni rep ahawar angkang pi along Citizenship Amendment Bills alam pen hul chodut apita BJP asong atum election manifesto along kep aput hak jongpon lilo lapen GST sitami kepa dokok ajok chojor cholang ki claim atumta akile kasik sak chitong nang lupusi akoy pipon EM barim roton ingti non amat madu arachari asong along ta ki dunji aphan matha thelang puta pherang ke amai along ningje
media friends who has taken all the trouble to be present at this movement as per my request and my invitation সকলো প্ৰেছ মিডিয়াসকলক ধন্যবাদ দিছোঁ আপোনালোকক অনুৰোধ মতে আপোনালোকে অহাৰ কাৰণে It is very unfortunate for me that finally being the only person when I was an elected MEC to join in BJP and now again to resign from this party because of many circumstances, and today BJP as per the party commitment in 2014 has not been able to fulfill the promises that have been made. So I will read out the resignation letter that I have already written to Sri Ratan Teron, President BJP East Karbi Anglong District, Full Karbi Anglong. Regarding resignation from the BJP party is the subject. Sir, in inviting reference to the subject cited above, I would like to draw your kind attention that I had joined the Bharatiya Janata Party in the year 2015. As an elected MEC, I was the first person to join in this party, with the anticipation that the party under the leadership of Sri Narendra Modi will bring about a radical change to the nation of India and the Northeast, and in particular to the district of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. The hope I had on the party has believed my hope not only over the slogan and achievement in terms of development and progress, insensitive to the distress of the farmers, mostly policies of the rich, which the poorest of the poor were ignored. Policies supposedly for the poor are either done for display or just for political expediencies. While all of the above are being executed clandestinely or overtly to the horror of millions and millions of Indians, the party would stoop to write every textbook that made India as a Hindu Rashtra. Finally, I am deeply appalled by the ingrained communal agenda of the RSS and the BJP, which remain as the two sides of the same coin. In view of all the above and dozen other issues, the BJP party did not reflect itself nor sign out as the torchbearer for many towards a strong modern India.
Non malom so porphan betamong tonpon iksana
Turkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from first week of December 2018 from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Aturkimi Society.
I've been a voter for the last 11 years. I've always wondered
if my vote counts or if the machine has recorded what I've pressed.
I've always thought, what if there's a verification system
which provides proof that I've voted for the candidate
and the party of my choice.
Introducing a system that can assure you. The Voter Verifiable Paper Audit Trail or VVPAT is one answer to all my questions. This is one independent system attached to the electronic voting machines that allows the electors to verify that their votes are cast as intended. How to cast your vote using the EVM and VVPAT. Step 1. Enter the booth. The presiding officer will enable the ballot unit while you enter the voting compartment. Watch out for the green light on the EVM indicating the machine is ready. Step 2. Cast your vote. Press the blue button on the ballot unit against the name or symbol of the candidate of your choice. Step 3. See the red light. The red light against the name or symbol of the candidate chosen will glow. Step 4. See the print. Look for the transparent window of the VVPAT. Look for the printed paper slip showing the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate of your choice. The slip remains exposed for 7 seconds, then it gets cut and falls in the drop box of the VVPAT. VVPAT, the revolution in the electoral world. As a citizen of this country, I know what and who I voted. I experience trust, transparency and fairness. It's about verification and voters' satisfaction. Do not leave the polling station without looking at the VVPAT. This is a good thing.
If your name is not in the electoral roll and you have completed 18 years of age as on 1st January 2019, then contact the BLO of your polling station to enroll your name and establish your democratic right to vote in ensuing Lok Sabha election 2019.
Ini siksa kelapa nila so cupen cerap leka cerap.
Pipot lo nangina chusir ham tamle ini su.
Ini siksa kelapa nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok taun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepakeng dan lo mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, no nalok Karbi beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma, konat lo lake.
Di fo ATR lo Iron Bridge adung rong supia long keceng si sopin so la pesor lo tu kapamada dim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo, keceng si sopin so la pesor lo phat kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off, hey hui long ponikti. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rong Harpi, Rong Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong kapadar ipin pinahumrig nun.
Niliningkan kray silubot ke joktan. Nilikay ta mathadam.
Niliki piagot, lakhapon domang. Kalite nilike berate, mission along, klang pamiloma.
Nilikay ta mathadam. Ke joka tengpen ke patinia war sai doma
ningke hanga bang phophat ke joka vote lo dam lo puang thai doma ningke hanga party aphan
kachiki klong isia kimia dichi vote ke jok ang thek kot pen ke patini un adichi vivipet henlo nilining dorik ason anthir thip pen kangsai un adichi lake isi salajong pen karjab adichi lo lapen EVM along cherap lok ahor mulo EVM lapen vivipet pen nang liko son si vote jok po kengkam isi polling booth arlo kilut vote ke jok ahem arlo kilut dampen presiding officer si ballot unit pekarpo kengkam hini vote jok milo ballot unit along akilir abatan along ning ke hangabang puamen mate ang thek pen pachiton ra ber ignon kengkam ke thom ake era tur klang loma ning ke hangabang puamen adung ake era tur klang pu kengkam pli kangchap alu klang loma vivipet along ke klang kangchap alu aphai lang ignoi haladak nang lining ke hangabang puamen mate ang thek klang loma labang su kangchap alu achet second troxian siklang chonji laso apilo te amina chi thui pen chebeng pet si siang deng along che thap dam thot pu vivipet ke isi aki mi che thang klong adi chilo nili inut det pia mekar lapen nili chichini komata phansi vote ke jok vek ma lapen nili theklong lo kopi ma ning ke the klardak chengbar kri ke jok vek avot ning ke hang abang phua phan lelu pu ke patini pen ning che pang samjin na phan lo lasi vote ke jok a hemar lo pen barbe ya prang e phong vivipet along patini te kang tha laki ke mesen alam lo jongsi electoral voter list along nang limem thap thelang puluti lapen nang li jongsi arkoi niphai isi inkoira sirkep an nang li arta ningkan khrenar kep choklo puluti polling station abial o aphan nang limen che thap dun pen democratic araida te non ke nang kileji lok sabha election inkoira sirkep aput vote jok dun ignon
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecho ason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecho ajam thu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihinna mo piputhot birta long wangthulo Korkanti constituency angkang Arni Sivet palong thom adima long Karbi anglong Autonomous Council EM Rajutiso BJP asong pen MP candidate Horan Singh Beaphan vote kirek amai kepa do adam birta pherangke non hejong pherangke James Milik pen birta nang pale Ada porphai kep apor pen inglong sabor polling station kirirong pa arong pen puthot enarlo porphai isi apor pen paklong kam angkang polling station ke thomla pen anigang sam porphai pho apor pen sam taro polling station along EM Rajuti so pen MP avot ke hang amai ingni damlin paklong kam along maikang ni damahut polling station ke thom angkang pen Congress asong aphan ki kroi arat atum EM Rajuti so ang no BJP asong ki kroi ang thek ti paklang dun
paklong ko ha warlong polling station ke thom do logar left right lapente isi bangke DP ta ke thom polling station along ta एकदम भारतीय जनता पार्टी से हाई जी lapente ऐसे होल था भारतीय जनता पार्टी से हाई पो पार्टी बैक है और ऐसे बंके तुम फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम भारतीय जनता पार्टी एमपी मान को अलग पार्लियामेंट में लाइक बाकी कांग्रेस तो हो lapente रीजनल पार्टी तो हो पेंटे इंडिपेंडेंट तो हो उलाही बंके राना तुम के रिजेक्ट तांग अते राना तुम के दमतांग 15 बছর कांग्रेस हिन पेन कॉपी पिया काम से क्लेम्पन पिपिन एकदम नील को बंके अलग ले तुम हिन पेन चिनी नाम दाखलो लपेंटे भारतीय जनता पार्टी तुम जितु स्लोगान सबके साथ सबके विकास जे भारतीय जनता पार्टी तुम बंके आके फ्लाकवे आजाद बने लपसन को बोलो पोहो लगे अमु का पार्टी लगे ताहू का पार्टी आए लगे बांगसो लगे कार्बी सो तो लावी के फ्लाको नवे सबके साथ सबके विकास लबांगसो जी तो मंत्रो mongtro koson ma slogan koson ma ke claim dar puson labang so buta rat tum non pijo penchini losi rat tum BJP long hon mai kom lo la penten non jong nu nal tuna non ma ta tek long lo ini da penangan bang mang gen lo la si la sorte ng bang ke kapre ka party to bang ke contest sorte nahi
BJP जिंदाबाद BJP bahai nama
Kedam tang surihini ra kriner ke paningkan tomon charting ke bang pendelai agriculture farma hem asarnu ke oilap adim puthot akimia hem kikim kirang ponbom adimalong non hejong apar dikrong ke ese aro atumpen kahumri dam lapen delai ke ese head branch tum tong sekot pen diffuse agriculture superintendent napan hem kikim kirang ke chok che apu thak ke pachini beta kat news along beta nang pale Kedam tang surihini ra kriner ke paningkan tomon charting ki bang ahut agriculture inki ke pangrenga farma hem Tomon ke oipon achok adima long upper dikrong ke ese aro education secretary Robinson Teron na pen Arya sangho atum humridam ke ese upper dikrong aro pen ka humridam ahut Karbi ang long aten mos council pen akimia hem kikim kirang ponang jia adima long contractor abang kacuma tha abana hemalong amatsi aweki rutu asai claim pon rong pusi alang nitum pen pachini lasijang mia ciklo ni bhai keba ni contractor apan putot abana hem patheng thulapsi akimia hem kikim pon tu pame jia pan pin khatekang Lapen bang so farma long chokamara tum bang ke thom do bonta thanga sai claim glacia ciklo jonwang abainong chuchot anrelo lapen chokamara tum abainong chuchot chera farm ka chehon lapen ki claim pa media phan pachini tekang lapen tong sekot pen de like SA head branch amai punobin rong pi pen diffuse agriculture superintendent aphan na so apu thak alam policy JES das aphan adima long kilang dam ji aphan lam to pi pon lo pusi beta ribdun long Karbi prime time angela pon sikang ton pon ikla do me thak me kurwang thu